My name is Kirsten Manthey and I am Growth Lead at Aerobotics. So I work very closely with the marketing team as a whole to support the sales efforts of our commercial team in the States. I joined on the 15th of March 2019. Starts off with a cup of coffee every morning, and then I suppose it's different every day. I think there's a lot going on with Aerobotics at the moment. We've just done a massive roadshow in the States, which has been a primary focus. And we're just moving on to our next events, so we're doing a lot of preparation and planning for that. I'd say I'd like to be an expert in health and nutrition. It's a lot of what I do outside of the workplace. I think I probably answer for everyone when I say family and friends, but on top of that, for me, it's dogs. And anyone that knows me will confirm that. Like for me, it's lychees. 100%, just because they are very rarely available for such a short window of time, that if I had the opportunity to have them at any time of the year, I would.